$2,800 from this one, $3,300 right here, and a ton of sales coming in every single month just by sharing links. And I'm about to show you step by step on how to do this yourself. What is up, digital warriors? Andrew here with Passive Income Warrior, and today I have an epic video for you guys. How to make a ton of money just by sharing links online. Anyone can do this. You don't need any experience in making money online, and it works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from, this will work for you. The only thing you have to do is watch this entire video and follow my step-by-step instructions on how to do this. Now, before we get into this method, if you like simple and easy ways to make money online, create that passive income, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, all kinds of ways to make money online, subscribe to the channel so you can be part of the warrior tribe, and click that notification bell so you will be the first one to know when I upload a brand new video. Now we're going to break this down to 3 simple steps. Step number 1, how to get paid for sharing links. Step number 2, I'm going to show you where to get a ton of people clicking on your links. And step number 3, where to get the highest paying links, anywhere from $1 to $1,000 payouts. So make sure to watch this entire video, follow the 3 simple steps, and by the end of it, you will know exactly what to do to start making money with this method. I'm going to show you 2 strategies that are proven to work. I'm using this myself, they work for me, and they will work for you if you do them the right way. The first one is absolutely free. You don't need any money with this, you don't need any investment, and you will still get a ton of people clicking on your links. The second strategy is almost free. I mean, it's under $5, and it's one of the strategies I'm using to get a ton of clicks on my links. And you just have to set it up once and forget about it. It works on autopilot 24/7 for you. Now let's jump right in and show you strategy number 1. So for the first strategy, we're going to be using Facebook. Everybody has Facebook these days. There's a ton of people here, and it's a great place to share our links. Now what we're going to do first, we're going to go to the left-hand side where it says groups. We're going to click on that. And right here in the search bar, we're going to type make money online. Click on that first result, and you're going to see a bunch of groups related to making money online. Now the links I'm about to show you are in that niche, the make money online niche, so we're at the right place. There are a ton of people here looking for ways to make money online. They don't know where to start, they need someone to guide them, and we're going to show them exactly that. Those who are not making any money, they want to start making money online, and those who are already making money online, they want to make more. So each and every person in these groups can potentially click on our links, and we will get paid for it. So as you can see here, 123,000 members, 29,000 members, 58,000 members, 50,000 members. There are a lot of people in here looking for ways to make money online, and this is exactly what we need. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to join at least 5 of these groups. Some of them even allow you to post your affiliate link. That's great for you. That's more eyes and more clicks on your links. So choose at least 5 of these groups and become a member. After you do that and you get accepted, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get a ton of people click on those links. There's a lot of people doing this, and those that are probably not making it the right way. So stick with me, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now once you get accepted inside the group, you're going to create a post. Now I'm going to show you 2 examples that are working very, very well, and they're getting a bunch of comments, and that's exactly what we want, for people to comment on our posts. So the first one goes like this. Imagine having all your content written for you each and every month. I have discovered how you can for next to nothing. You're going to write something like that. You're going to put it in a nice background and a bunch of hearts at the top. Now the reason this works so well is because people are creating content all the time. They're creating content on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, TikTok, on their own websites. Without content, you don't have anything for people to see. So this creates curiosity, and people will want some information. That's why they will comment. Now the next important thing is about the looks of your posts. As you can see, there's a nice background here and lots of hearts at the top. This will help to catch the audience attention, because you must understand, everyone is on the phone, scrolling down, they're going through tons of posts, and we need something attention grabbing, so they will stop and comment on our post. Now this post got 249 comments. Imagine if your links payout is just $10. That means you're making $2,500 just from this one post. So you can see how powerful this method is. Here's another good example. Again, a bunch of hearts at the top, a nice colorful background, and it says what? My #1 income producer is now free to promote. Who wants info? 161 comments on this one. Now imagine having 10, 20, 30 successful posts just like this, how much traffic and how much clicks you get on your links. This is a very powerful method and it works very, very well if you do it the right way. Now I have two very important tips for you. After you create your post like I've shown you here, people are going to start commenting. And they're going to comment the word info. That means of course that they want more information on what you're talking about in the post. Do not reply on their comment with your Facebook link. That is very, very important. Facebook is very strict about that. It doesn't like affiliate links and it could even ban your account. Instead, what you want to do is send them a message via Messenger, write something nice and include in there your link. That way they can click on it without Facebook creating any problems for you. Now the second tip is also important. After you send them the message via Messenger, you're going to reply to their comment and ask them if they got the message. The reason we're doing this is because they will answer back, they will comment again. This will create more and more engagement on our post. Facebook will love that and it will push the post to a lot more people. So extremely important things to have in mind. Send your link via Messenger, not directly, and send them a message afterwards asking them if they got the message. That's it, guys. Now, as I said, this is a very powerful strategy, and if you do it correctly like I show you, you will get amazing results. The only downside is that you have to put in some time. You have to go into the groups, you have to engage with other people's posts, you have to like, you have to comment, and give some value to the community so they can give some back in return. Unlike the second strategy I'm going to show you, which is completely automated. You don't have to do anything, you just set it up once and you forget about it. It does cost some money, but it's extremely cheap in my opinion, and you can get amazing results. I'm using this service, I'm going to keep using it, I've had some great results with it, and that's why I'm recommending it. So the second strategy is to hit the like button. Okay, that's not the second strategy, but I would very much appreciate it if you did. It's just a small click for you and a huge boost for me. So thanks for doing that. The actual second strategy is a service called Click Engine. This is a brand new service created by Jeff Aman. This guy right here. And he's all about giving value at the cheapest price. And he went all in on this one. Created a service where in a couple of steps, you can submit your link. You get step-by-step instructions right here. Step number 1, do this. Step number 2, do this. And you're done. That's it. I'll take it from there. And you will be at a rotator, working on autopilot 24/7 for you, getting buyer traffic for your links. This is an amazing service, guys, and it's just $4.90. It's extremely cheap. You cannot get 3 clicks in Google Ads at this price. This is buyer's traffic, I know because I'm using it. It also has a bunch of testimonials from other people. And because this is brand new, he's giving it away next for nothing. I mean, $4.90 is ridiculous. He could be easily selling this for $100 and people will still want to get in. You want to get inside now because it's brand new and the community is growing fast. Once he gets enough members, like all the other programs out there, naturally the price will go up. But unlike some other programs, this actually works. This is buyer traffic and you will be getting clicks on your affiliate links on autopilot. It also has a great affiliate program where you get to keep 50% of the commissions. Everybody who's trying to make money online are looking for traffic. And this service at this price, this thing sells like crazy. This is a great opportunity and it will definitely get you some fast results. If you're interested and want to know more, the second link in my description is going to lead you straight to this page right here. Now for the final step, where to get these links. This is the big question. Well, I'm going to show you right now. This is the Rabbit Profit Machine. This is the best system to make money online. And I'm not exaggerating, guys. I've joined a lot of systems. This actually works. This is James Neville Taylor. He's the founder of the RPM, and he created a system that is changing people's lives. In a nutshell, what Rabbit Profit Machine is a business in a box. Normally, if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, you need to have funnels, opt-in pages, sales pages, bridge pages, thank you pages, email follow-ups, a bunch of stuff to create, a bunch of stuff to test, But inside the Rabbit Profit Machine, you're getting everything for free. All the funnels, or the emails, nothing to create, nothing to set up. Your only job is to focus on the traffic. Now, instead of sharing 10, 20, 30 links, what James did is that he got 27 products inside one link. And by sharing just that one link, you can profit from 27 different products and create multiple income sources. All you have to do is follow some simple steps. Inside the program, you will get exactly step by step what to do, and in under 20 minutes, you will have a ready-made for you online business and your master link to share on the internet and start making money. It's that simple. And believe me when I say this thing converts like crazy. I mean, inside the Facebook group, people are posting testimonials all day long. People who never made money online before, they are seeing the first dollars coming in. Now, I'm not going to go too much into it. If you want to know more about this, you can check the first link in the description. That's actually my #1 recommendation to everyone who wants to make money online and create a passive income. Now, what you need to know is that you can promote this system as a free member and still get 50% of the commissions on most products. But if you have some money to invest, like becoming a pro member or signing up for Builder as an affiliate, you're getting 100% of the commissions on all the products inside the funnel. Now, if you decide to join our team, in addition to everything you will get inside the Rabbit Profit Machine, you will also get 10 free bonuses that are prepared for everyone in my team, and they are specifically designed to get you traffic, leads, and sales. Actually, one of them, I'm going to give you 1,000 clicks for free. So if that's something you're interested in, it's going to be the first link in the description. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.